My Nigerian people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to we say it just happened. The Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu don talk who say they go cut down the Lagos State transportation fare by 50% to help locations them during this period we say fuel scarcity they happen for inside Obodo, Nigeria.
Boats and all of our last mile buses and small buses that we have in the state, that they should be carrying passengers at 50% of the current fare.
Court don jail 35-year-old woman wey her name be Success James say because she carry underage girls dem from the age of 13 to 15 years dey do okpo miliki work for inside Onitsha as she dey lie to them say she wan carry them to go do restaurant work. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission on Wednesday, February 8 don carry Rashid Bello wey be the wife of the Kogi State Governor wey be Yahaya Bello and im nephew wey be Ali Bello take carry dem go federal air court wey dey for inside Abuja say because they commit fraud wey dey thiftalize money wey reach about 3 billion naira. The governor of Ogun State wey be Dapo Abiodun don go visit Mr. Gabriel wey be the young man wey he call about police he shoot on Wednesday, February 7th during wey they do protest for inside Abeokuta, Ogun State as they come rush and take go hospital when they collect treatment and im body don dey kajad. One female and the one Yaba Tech student don come hospitalize herself as she go drink sniper say because her boyfriend serve her breakfast as she can't get heartbreaking, and this gbege happen for inside the female hostel wey be Akata hostel yesterday, February 8, 2023. The Comptroller General of Nigeria Immigration Service wey name be Issa Jerry don talk who say the service is gallant to catch and arrest any foreigner wey go try to go vote for the general election wey go happen inside February 2023. One security man don catch one house help wey go pack plenty provision like team milk and other.
Why you go drink sniper? Why you go drink sniper? We went because of Adam. Because of Adam. We go drink sniper. Yeah, it's happening live right now in the Akata hostel. Yeah, live from Akata hostel.
The Comptroller General of Nigeria Immigration Service wey name be Issa Jerry don talk who say the service is gallant to catch and arrest any foreigner wey go try to go vote for the general election wey go happen inside February 2023. One security man don catch one house help wey go pack plenty provision like team milk and other ogbonge things dem for inside her bag wey she thiftalize from our oga house. The family of one Nigerian student wey name be Chinyevera Okonkwo, 33 years old, don dey mourn her after wey motor jam her take hospitalize when she dey waka for St. Vincent Street inside Scotland, and she be public health MSc undergraduate student for Glasgow for Caledonian University. Now be small wahala as some Nigerian bank customers dey say they go one GT bank to go withdraw money na so they carry gas cooker and pot come cook indomie wey all of them come dey chop as they come chop belle full, so they go make sure say they go stand gidigba to withdraw money from the bank.
Now for GT bank this thing dey happen o. GT bank we come ATM make we dey cook indomie dey chop. Gas dey present. Indomie there. Indomie wey never dry water. Wetin person no go see for here. Jesus.
True, this life no balance at all. As some adults that they cry say they never see their vow. For on top this video where the secondary school student go surprise in girlfriend as he come buy and gift, come buy and promise ring, call so they spray her money.
Girl, you fine, modest. See, don't give me for nothing. See, don't give me for nothing. See, don't give me for nothing. Take me your love, honest. See, don't give me for nothing.
Now be small wahala as plenty United States of American citizens they don dey react after we dey see the US First Lady wey be Jill Biden, the wife of President of United States of America wey be Joe Biden, go kiss the Vice President Kamala Harris husband for lips in front of the Presidential State of the Union for inside Washington DC. Yes, na Bishop News'clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.